In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to create the QR code. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the primary navigation menu for the platform. From that menu, click on Sites. This section contains several tools related to web assets and other publishing features, and it's also where the QR code option is located. After the Sites area opens, move to the top menu and click on QR codes. That will take you to the QR code management page where you can create and organize your codes. Next, click on Create QR Code. This opens the setup process for a new code. The first thing you'll see is a field for the QR name. This is simply an internal label to help you identify the code later. So choose a clear, descriptive name based on its purpose. After that, select your QR type. Gohighlevel supports different types here, including dynamic URL options. In this example, choose SMS. Selecting SMS means that when someone scans the QR code, it can prompt them to send a text message, which is useful for lead generation, quick contact requests, or campaign engagement. Once SMS is selected, click Next to continue. On the next screen, enter the phone number the message should be sent to. Be sure to use the correct number, since this is what the QR code will connect to when scanned. Then add the message you want pre-filled for the user. This saves them time and makes it easier for them to take action right away. Keep the message short, clear, and relevant to your campaign or business goal. When you've entered the phone number and message, click Next again. Now you'll be taken to the customization stage. Here, you can adjust the QR color and shape. This is helpful if you want the code to better match your brand style or stand out visually in a flyer, poster, website, or other marketing material. Just make sure the design still keeps the code easy to scan, since readability is the most important part. Once everything looks good, click Download. That saves your finished QR code, so you can start using it wherever you need it. And that's how to create a QR code in Gohighlevel, from setup to download,